Exam season can be a challenging time for students, requiring careful planning, dedication, and effective study strategies. In this video, we will explore 10 tips to help students navigate this crucial period. From scheduling study sessions to managing stress and staying healthy. By implementing these top 10 strategies, students can approach exams with confidence and maximize their academic success. 1. Create a realistic study schedule. Plan your study sessions in advance, allocating specific time slots for each subject or topic. Be realistic about your capabilities and make sure to include breaks to avoid burnout. 2. Start early. Begin studying well in advance of the exam date to allow yourself enough time to cover all the material thoroughly. Cramming at the last minute can lead to stress and poor retention of information. 3. Prioritize tasks. Identify the most important topics or subjects that require extra attention and focus on them first. Prioritizing tasks helps ensure that you cover essential material effectively. 4. Break down study material. Divide your study material into smaller, manageable chunks to make it easier to digest and retain information. Use techniques such as mind maps, summaries, or flashcards to aid in memorization. 5. Practice past papers. Familiarize yourself with the exam format and types of questions by practicing past papers or sample tests. This not only helps build confidence, but also allows you to identify areas where you may need additional review. 6. Stay organized. Keep your study area tidy and organized to minimize distractions and maximize productivity. Have all necessary materials, such as textbooks, notes, and stationery, readily available. 7. Take regular breaks. Schedule short breaks during study sessions to rest and recharge your mind. Taking breaks can help prevent fatigue and improve focus and concentration when you return to studying. 8. Stay healthy. Prioritize self-care during exam season by eating nutritious meals, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. A healthy body and mind are essential for optimal academic performance. 9. Manage stress. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or mindfulness to manage exam-related stress and anxiety. Reach out to friends, family, or a counselor for support if you're feeling overwhelmed. 10. Stay positive. Maintain a positive mindset and believe in your abilities to succeed. Visualize yourself performing well on the exam and stay motivated by setting achievable goals and celebrating your progress along the way. By following these tips and adopting effective study habits, you can approach exam season with confidence and achieve your academic goals. For more study tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We wish you a great success.